Hello, my name's Carl and welcome to the Straw Bite Workshop. In the workshop today, it's my new workshop, I'm going to be making a bowl without a lathe. Here's the test piece I made earlier. It's a pretty straightforward affair. I'm just basically using Forstner Bits to hollow out the inside of a piece of wood. This is the test piece in pressurized treated lumber, and I'll be making the real thing out of walnut. So this should work. I'd like to give a shout out to Keith Brown and in his channel, the Rag and Bone Brown YouTube channel. He's set this channel. This goes out on Friday the 27th at 5 PM, along with a whole host of other videos from many makers around the community, and anyway, I'm really pleased to be part of that. Okay, so we mark the piece of wood up. I'm going to cut this off, and that's the centre, and we'll bore down into this. Okay, so I have my Forstner Bits, and I also have a little cutting list to let me know what depth to cut to, and we'll get going. Okay, so my drill has this little turret thing here, and it allows you to set the depth stop. So what I do is I drop this down so the bit touches the workpiece, and then I wind this back, set the depth at 1 millimetre. That means the bit rises slightly off the workpiece, and in this particular case I'm going to drill a 4 centimetre or 40 millimetre pilot hole. Okay, so you'll remember I mentioned a cutting list earlier. This is because Forstner Bits come in different sizes and the interval between sizes isn't regular. So if I want the inside of the bowl to look interesting, then I need to sort of compensate for the size of the Forstner bit by adjusting the depth of cut. I've done this in Excel using a simple formula for a parabola. It's a bit mathsy, so on the test piece that worked really well, and here on the actual piece I'm just repeating those steps to get a similar result. So there you go, a bowl, and it's not bad. I'm quite pleased with this. Let's get this inside and dress it and take some decent pictures.